gagamitin poster? Sa dami ng senior niyo.
Wala, first time ko namin nakita.
Yeah, it was a surprise for us.
Naka-surprise.
As in, today lang po sa amin pinakita.
So, gaano kayo ka-excited?
Super, super excited. It's surreal. For me, it's my first ever lead role and super grateful. And so happy na I get to do it with her. And we already did 3 taping days, so until October po kami mag-taping.
Nakaka-taping days pa lang kayo?
Kasi we supposed to have one 2 weeks ago. I mean, 2 days ago, pero nagbumagi po.
Nung nag-ano ba siya, nagpapalaki ng katawan, tapos ikaw naman nag-reverse ng cheering, nagdadalawan ba kayo? Dinadalaw mo ba siya sa gym?
Yeah, nung cheer practice, I saw her po nung sa Viva kasi she practiced there. After po ng workshop namin nag-practice.
Tatakot ka bang bumagsak siya?
Siyempre. Pero she did so good when they already shot the cheer dance competition. Feels like she was a part of the cheer.
Parang yung trailer, yung lungkot-lungkot.
Hindi, kasi 3 taping days pa po kami. So hindi pa, parang konti lang po yung nakuhanan talaga.
Highlights pa lang.
Highlights pa lang. So that's not the full trailer.
Sa 3 taping days nyo ba, alin yung masasabi nyo ng memorable nyo na
The first taping day.
first day?
Siyempre, nangangapa pa kami and it felt like, wow, this is it. It's finally, we've been waiting for this for a long time and yeah, it was crazy na finally na-shoot na namin yung first taping day and we're happy na, I'm proud of her because it was a really long taping day pero natawid naman.
Kaya, what do you like about Gab as your leading man?
One of the things that I always mention is I'm grateful because this is my first love team and first leading role there. I'm grateful na Gab is my partner because he helps me a lot. He supports me. We've had a couple challenges already and he's really made sure that he was there for me. Really appreciate him a lot. Very reassuring. I feel safe and connected.
Gab, what do you admire about Haya?
I love how she cares about everyone. I always say this that she just cares about the world. Pero like I love how determined she is to be great. Sometimes she's being too hard on herself, and I always tell her na be proud because syempre first year na pa lang sa showbiz and she's doing this big project and last time we did a music video, she did a really good job in her crying scene and sa cheer dance competition. I mean, for a new actor, like I've been in her shoes before, so parang nakikita ko yung sarili ko sa kanya from the past and I always tell her na just relax and just enjoy the process and you're really doing a good job.
Pero kung, syempre dami nyo nang pinagsasama, nag-music video, may mga mall tour kayo, di ba? Ano pa yung na-discover nyo something sa isa't isa na parang, ay sigap pala matakaw. Yung mga ganun ba? Yung mga discovery na ganun. Cute.
Very love food.
Because we both grew up in the US po and nakakatuwa kasi yung unang first time we hung out, like before Kuya Luis Manzano's vlog, we ate at Tapsilog. And that's one of the scenes sa book. And we got to know each other and I'm glad na we like the same food. She loves Mexican food, so yun yung mga na-discover ko sa kanya. And we both love doing yoga, so...
I mean, I'm not really the type to try to think about someone before meeting me. One of the things that I loved is how genuine and kind Gab is. He really cares about everyone and make sure that I'm okay with him, which I appreciate because we reciprocate the same energy.
Ngayon na you're in a love team now with Ginseng in the Wild, may mga advice ba sila Bea? Like, ito, you're in a love team with first Marco and may mga advice ba sila?
Yeah, of course. Siyempre, lagi din kami nagkakasama and a few weeks ago we were together and we were saying just enjoy the ride. Siyempre, ngayon lang yung mangyayari ko sa inyo and just act like a team and and always be there for each other, and don't worry about what everyone says as long as you guys help each other and just enjoy the moment.
Anong pakiramdam ng mga kamag-anak mo abroad, tsaka mga kaibigan niyo abroad? Ingit ba siya sa'yo, yung mga friends mo? Nasikat ka na dito?
They're very proud of me. Sometimes they're surprised. Nagulat sila na out of nowhere, like I seem to be getting all of this support and attention. But they're just very happy.
For me, my mom, sobrang proud niyan. Lagi nag-message yan sa akin. Because she's really a stage mom and because she wanted to be an actress when she was young. But now she's a nurse in the US and every day magme-message siya kung kailan ako yung mag-start. And my lola is a big teleserye fan din, and I'm just glad na nalalabas na to this August 16 and mapapakita ko na sa kanila. Kasi namimiss na. I haven't seen them for a while.
Nakakatuwa Gab, no? Kasi medyo matagal mo na hinihintay itong break na to, and finally it's here.
Sobra, 6-7 years na po, and I just wanna thank God. I feel like I wouldn't have this because of him, and I feel like everything is just meant to be. And I didn't even audition for Sebi po. I auditioned for a different role. And yun nga, like what I said, if it's meant to be, it's meant to be para sa'yo. And nabigay po sa akin si Sebi, binigay po ng management. And I'm just super grateful.
You deserve to.
How do you work on your chemistry? Bilang medyo matagal pa kayo mag-taping, di ba?
Yeah,
May mga pakilig ka ba kahit sa set, ganyan? Sweet thing?
no, of course, sa workshop, we've done relationship works, and then syempre tinatry namin to work in relationship, tapos hinahatid ko po siya kung kailangan kung hindi po malapit lang din po siya sa amin. And of course, syempre kung tinatanong ko kung anong gusto niyang coffee,
Ano ba?
cinnamon oat latte with extra honey.
Oh. Ano?
With honey. Sweetened with honey.
Wow.
Syempre
Ikaw?
mga little things na
It hasn't been too hard for us naman. I feel like we didn't have to put in the extra work. Kasi we already had, like, I don't know, we got along well already from the start.
Yeah, because we both grew up in the US, and I honestly see myself from her nung nagsistart po ako, and I just want to be there for her and guide her, diba, in the right way. Kasi syempre, grabe rin po naman yung first project niya is bida na as a Chasing in the Wild as being in the list.
Puro English ba lines nyo? Or magtatagalog din
Ako po, Tagalog. Kaya tinatry ko po siyang Tagalogin kasi hindi pa po siya masyadong nagtatagalog.
Kaya ikaw, dapat may mga lines ka rin yung Tagalog. Are you learning?
Oh, it hasn't been that hard.
Are you singing one of the tracks?
Yes. I don't know if I can say it yet. Just watch out. I'm excited.
Yeah, she grew up as a singer po talaga.
Ano yung pinaka-challenge na eksena na nagawa niya?
So far siguro, sabi ko, was that the first scene? When you were walking on the treadmill? Yeah, that was one of the most challenging for us siguro kasi syempre first ever scene and kabado pa kami lahat and all. But I'm proud of her na she pulled through it.
Yung siyempre kung may challenging, ano naman yung parang aabangan nila sa inyo dito? Na hindi pa nila nakita from the first to installment ng university.
Yun yung pinaka-abangan nila dito yung 5th anniversary. And yun yung pinaka-hinihintay ng fans and just really excited to do that scene with her. And yung ginawa nga namin po yung music video, we had a breakup scene there and crying scene and kind of reminisce the 5th anniversary scene kung alam ng mga magpapasa. And she pulled through it. I'm so happy na we did it as a team and super excited. Yun yung perfect.
Yeah.
Sorry. Can you repeat the question?
Kung may challenging, ano naman yung tingin ng abangan ng mga tao dito sa
Yeah, I said the 5th anniversary.
Yeah, and just a lot of the iconic scenes with like said, release, when we meet
And also the cheer dance competition and the basketball scenes. I feel like yun yung wala sa ibang book. So, it's a different flavor.
Last na, ano pinaka-wild na scene na abangan namin sa iyo dito?
Siguro yung sa Bohol scene namin, tsaka sa office scene. Alam na ng mga... alam na ng mga...
Meron doon.
Yeah. Office scene siguro.
Prinsesa kasi yung kinanta kanina, tapos prinsesa yung ano niya sa Instagram. How do you treat her like a princess?
Of course, she looks like a princess, diba? So, I don't know, it's not how I treat her, it's how I'm just being with her and being there as a love team. And I always tell her that I'm always here for you. And as a new actress, that's really important. And of course, she's my princess when it comes to pag nandun ako na sa taping.
Para pati off ka.
Siyempre sa ano na po yun, siyempre kailangan ko, we want to focus on it. Pero kung darating man po yun, why not?
And he's such a natural feminist. He doesn't have to...
Parang dadating naman kasi lahat yung book 1 and book 2 nagkatuloy.
Ang mga kinikilig si Hyacinth sa'yo eh. Wala ka na ng media pa.
Parang yun ang tradisyon eh, huwag niyo i-break. Chos.
If ever, are you ready for it, Haya?
Hindi, siyempre.
If it happens.
I don't want to think about it. Whatever the universe gives me.
Pero anong qualities niya yung boyfriend material and
Yeah.
naman girlfriend material?
I mean, just him as a person, he's already such a green flag, honestly. He's very kind and genuine and attentive, a gentleman.
Last na po.
Go, Gab.
For me, I love how she just cares about how I feel, especially every time we see each other, the first question we say, are you okay? How are you? It's the little things, eh. Alam mo yun, na parang just knowing if I'm okay, it's like such a big thing.
Invite everyone.
And guys, iniimbitahan po namin kayo manood ng Chasing in the Wild this August 16 na po. Viva 1, Viva ka dito.
Thank you!